Hello students, now we are solving exercise 11.3 from perimeter and area. Question number 3 is, if the circumference of circle sheet is 154 meter, find its radius and also find the area of the sheet, and pi is equal to 22 upon 7 value they given. Okay, now see, first whatever they given we will write here. Given, okay, what they given first? Here they given circumference. Okay, means see, they given circumference is equal to 154 meter, and we have to find the radius, and again we have to find the area also. Okay, so now the circumference of circle is what? Circumference of circle's formula is 2 pi r. Okay, now already circumference they given, so we will write under this, see, 154. Now 2 multiply pi they given 22 upon 7, so 22 upon 7 into radius we have to find, so r we are writing as it is. Now see here students, 7 is in division, here it will go this side, it become multiplication, and this 2 and 22 they both are in multiplication, so they will go in division here. So see, we will change this side, 7 will go in multiplication and this 2 and 22 will go in division. Now see, we can divide like this. Here see, 2 ones are 2, we can divide this by 2. Okay, because 4 is there, it means it is divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry, so 2 sevens are 14. Okay, we will get now 77 multiply 7 upon 22. Now see, 77 and 22 both are divisible by 11, so we can divide by 11. See, 11 2s are 22, 11 7s are 77. Okay, so remaining what now? 7 into 7 upon 2 is equal to radius. So radius is what now? 49 upon 2. Okay, so radius we will get, radius is equal to, now when we will divide, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, means 14.5 meter. Okay, 14.5 meter radius we will get here. Now same radius we are using for finding the area of circle, because we have to find the area of that circular sheet also. So now area, okay, area of circle is what now? Pi r square. Okay, so 22 upon 7 into radius we got now 24.5, so same radius we will get here, 24.5 square. So this 2 time we can write 22, see, for 24.5 square means 2 times we can write like this. It is easy for calculation. Now so see, 7 ones are 7, 7 3s are 21.7, 3 will remain, so 7 5s are 35. So 22 multiply 3.5 multiply 24.5. So your area will be 1886.5 meter square. Okay, understand students what we have to do? First, see, first always remember, we have what they given. First they given the circumference, so from that circumference first we found that radius, and from that radius, this radius we use to find the area of the circle. Okay, understand? Now we will move towards question number 4. Question number 4 is, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Diameter they given. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. If he makes 2 rounds of fence, also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter, and pi they given 22 upon 7. Now see students, whenever the question will come like that, for you have to find the total length of that fencing, okay, or compound, always remember that time we have to find the circumference of the circle, because whenever we are, see, whenever he is putting that fence, it means what? It is for the boundary of circle, and boundary of circle means what? It is circumference of circle. Okay, now first we have to find the circumference of circle, and what they given, see, he makes 2 rounds of fence. It means whatever we are getting circumference, we have to multiply with 2. Why? Because 2 rounds are there. Okay, so then we will get exact length of that rope. Now circumference of circle is equal to, now see, they given diameter is equal to 21 meters, so we will use pi d formula. You can use 2 pi r also, okay, but for that you have to find first r value, so better we can use pi d. So 22 upon 7 into d is what? 21. So I can divide here, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, means circumference is equal to, now 22 multiply 3, it is 66 meter. Now see, circumference we got 66 meter, means 1 round if he will take, then 66 meter rope he needed. Okay, but now here what he needs, what, see, he makes 2 rounds. Okay, so 2 rounds rope, how much fence we need? Now listen. Okay, so fence for 2 rounds. Okay, 2 rounds, how much we need? 66 multiply 2 we will do. Okay, because 2 rounds are there. So 2 6 are 12, 1, so 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, means he need, see, 132 meter fence. Okay, means how much rope he need? He need, see here, okay, he need 132 meter fence. Okay, now we have to find the cost of the rope. If the cost rupees 4 per meter. Now see, total rope we got 132 meter. Okay, then the cost of the rope is what? Now see, cost of rope they given. Okay, for 1 meter they given, means for per meter means what? For 1 meter. So for 1 meter the cost is rupees 4. Okay, so for 132 meter, how much cost is there? For 132 meter, the cost is 132 multiply 4, means the total cost. Okay, so total cost of rope we will get to rupees 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12, were carried, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, means rupees 528 cost. Okay, cost for rope, total rope. Okay.